We all know what Saturn's rings look amazing. But what would really happen if Earth suddenly sprouted a ring system of its own? Let's take a look. First of all, Earth's rings would be a spectacular sight. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing a shimmering band of material circling our planet. Depending on the size and composition of the rings, they could be made up of everything from rocks and ice to dust and gas. They could be thin and wispy, like Saturn's rings. Either way, they would be a breathtaking addition to the night sky. But the rings would do more than just look pretty. They would have a significant impact on our planet and the way it functions. Here are just a few of the fascinating things that would happen if Earth had rings. One of the biggest effects of Earth's rings would be changes to the climate. The amount of sunlight that reaches the surface of the Earth would depend on the size and thickness of the rings, as well as their composition. If the rings were made up of reflective materials like ice or metal, they could reflect sunlight back into space, cooling the planet. If the rings were made up of darker materials like dust, they could absorb more sunlight, warming the planet. The gravitational pull of the rings would affect the tides on Earth, causing them to become more complex and erratic. The exact nature of these changes would depend on the size and position of the rings. The rings could interfere with satellite and space travel, making it more challenging to navigate and communicate in space. The rings could also potentially cause disruptions to radio communication and GPS systems. The gravitational pull of the rings could alter the moon's position and trajectory, potentially causing changes in the moon's orbit around Earth. This, in turn, could affect the tides on Earth and have other far-reaching effects. The rings would also create new opportunities for exploration and research. Scientists could study the rings to learn more about the history of our solar system and the processes that shape the universe. Oh no, right. Now I need your help. I don't know how did Jeff even become a planet, but I need you to save the like and subscribe button below this video. Just press that like and subscribe button to save their lives. Please help them.